Oh my god, you guys, why has nobody been talking about this particular body lotion? I mean, like, where have we been, especially in this Nigerian space? We've been giving a lot of Nivea product hype, but this one takes the front seat, you guys. If you're somebody who always has, dry skin, I mean, you moisturize, maybe you use a body lotion or a body cream or a body butter, but yet you realize that in the course of your days, somehow you end up with, dry skin. Your skin is just looking normal, it's not glowing, it doesn't even look like it's moisturized, but the only thing is that it's not dry. Like, you just have that normal kind of skin, but you want your skin to always glow regardless of where you are. Let me tell you, this body lotion, the Nivea In-Shower Body Lotion, is everything that you need, and I am going to be going into details in this video as quickly as possible. There isn't much hype yet, and funny enough, I have also not really found it on the shelf of most supermarkets that I have gone to, or skincare stores where I go to shop for my skincare products, which is also another reason why I am surprised that we're not hopping on it right here in Nigeria, okay? But here, you guys, this body lotion is a water-based moisturizer that deeply moisturizes your skin, and keyword on deeply moisturizes your skin, leaving your skin feeling very soft, non-greasy, and will last for over 48 hours. Yes, you heard me right. One application or one use will last you up to 48 hours. So now imagine what happens when you use it every single day. My gosh, the glowing is going to be blinding. Okay, you guys, this body lotion is called an in-shower body lotion because unlike other body lotions that you use after getting out of the bathroom, you use this one right in the bathroom as soon as you just finish having your shower. I'm going to give you more details on how to use it correctly as we progress in this video. But first of all, what you need to know is that this particular body lotion comes in 3 different variants, and for the few people who have used it, some have said, oh, it actually didn't do much for my skin, and some said, oh, it actually was great for my skin. Some says that the team tried, but they didn't get as much moisturization that they needed. And honestly, the reason is because they were not using the right kind of this body lotion for their skin. Whenever a brand or a product makes one product in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or even 10 variations, there are reasons why they do them for certain skincare concerns, for certain skincare needs. Because trust me, someone who has a normal skin on their body, okay, that their skin always tends to feel shiny no matter what they apply on it and they go out for their day, the kind of products that will cater to them is different from the products that will cater to somebody who has an extremely dry skin, okay, a very, very dry skin, that even if they use body oil, after 5-6 hours their body is dry again. The product that catered for the other person is not going to cater for this person, and that is what Nivea in their usual manner considered when they decided to make the 3 different variants of this body lotion. Okay, there is the Nivea In-Shower Cocoa Butter Body Lotion, which is meant for people who have very dry skin. And when I say very dry skin, I mean you use your regular body lotions during the day, or you even use a body oil during the day, but 5 or 6 hours into the day your skin begins to feel a bit dry. It doesn't look like you even applied lotion during the day at all. Those are the kind of people that should be using the cocoa butter variant of this in-body shower gel from Nivea. Now, there is also the Nivea In-Shower Nourishing Body Lotion that is made with almond oil. Now, this one is for people who have extremely dry skin, like you have a very, very, very dry skin that no matter what you use, as soon as it absorbs into your skin feels very dry. You have an extremely dry skin. What you should be using is the almond oil variant. Now, if you have a normal skin, like anything you use, I just know that anybody that sees you will know that, okay, this one applied cream before leaving their house during the day, right? It doesn't matter whether you use a body oil, whether you use a body cream, or whether you use, your body lotion, your skin will just be normal. It's just going to be okay, right? But you want that extra glow, you want that extra hydration from your skin, then you want to use the Nivea In-Shower Hydrating Body Lotion, which is meant for normal to regular everyday dry skin. This guide should help you know which of them to use for you to achieve the result. But whether this one is working, my darling, it will work. Okay, it comes in a very thick consistency. You know how thick your hair conditioner or shampoo rather now is usually thick? That is the exact consistency you get with this shower body lotion. But of course, it dries into your skin immediately after application, leaving your skin feeling hydrated for over 48 hours. So when you apply it, it has this feeling like when you're applying oil on your body, okay, or you're applying a very thin body lotion on your body, regardless of how thick the consistency is. And it has this, regular Nivea smell, okay, depending on, the product, okay, or the ingredients that were used to formulate it. Just the regular, very mild fragrance smell that Nivea lotions always come in. That is how this one also comes, okay. The only cons to using this product, okay, will I say the cons to using this particular product, not necessarily side effects, okay, per se, is that when I looked carefully at the ingredient list of this product, I realized that it contained an ingredient called the paraffinum liquidum. Now, this is a variant or a type of paraben, and if you're an OG on this channel, okay, you've been following this channel, you've been watching all our videos from last year, last 2 years, last 3 years, there was a time when I was always talking and irritating, okay, about the danger of using products that contain paraben, whether in your skincare product, your makeup product, okay, the product you use on your hair. Using any product that contains paraben, which is a kind of artificial preservative, by the way, that helps your product, okay, or that helps that product to stay longer in your house or on your shelf or in your bathroom or wherever else you store your products, right? Having products that contain this particular ingredient and using them for a long period of time could lead to health challenges or health risks, especially for women, okay? Things like cancer, infertility. I don't want to scare you all, but yeah, it is always advisable to use products that contain paraben in very bare minimum or not as frequently as you would use other products that do not contain it, okay? Because the goal is to glow while staying alive, right? Another downside, okay, to this particular body lotion that everybody who has used it can also testify to is that it is actually very slippery. Yeah. So as soon as you finish using it in your bathroom, you will need to sweep and clean your bathroom wall, okay, and your bathroom floor, maybe with a brush or with a sponge, whatever you use to wash it, just so that someone else or even yourself does not slip, because it is very, very slippery, right? Now I'm going to tell you why it is slippery as I explain how to use this in-shower body lotion. Now when you go into your bathroom, you take your bath. After taking your bath, that moment when you've rinsed off your shower gel or your body wash away from your body, what you want to go in with immediately is your in-shower body lotion that will help to lock in moisture, okay. Now you apply it all over your body. I would say this if you're looking to achieve more effect, okay, like I would also always say in other product review videos that I talk about here on this channel, you want to allow it sit for like a few seconds or up to a minute or even 5 minutes if you have the time and you're not in a hurry to go anywhere. Let it sit on your skin for at least, few seconds to a minute or more, especially when you're not in a hurry to go anywhere. Yeah, so you want to go right in with it. As soon as you finish applying it and you're done letting it sit on your skin for a few seconds or a minute, you rinse it off. Yes, you rinse it off immediately, just the way you rinse off your body scrub. That is how you will rinse it off. After rinsing off, let it dry or pat your body dry. My darling, when you come out of that bathroom, you're gonna be smelling. You guys, I was so excited when I saw it. Best bet, I am going to be looking out for it when next I go for my skincare shopping. It is already registered here in my head, in my mind, okay, you guys, and I'm definitely going to look out for it. But meanwhile, I am going to leave a link, an Amazon link, in the description area, or even perhaps in the comment section. If you don't find it in the comment section, you'll find it in the description area for you to go and check out and get your own. And it's not even very expensive, it is very affordable, and you can use this and skip your regular body lotion. You don't need to apply a body lotion anymore after using this particular in-shower body lotion. You can decide to go in with body oil if you want for extra shine, and very extra glow. But if you do not use a body oil or body lotion, if you have other questions concerning this product, let me know in the comment section below. Are there other products that you would like us to talk about on this channel? Also drop them in the comment section below and I will be getting to it immediately. Thank you for watching this video till the end if you made it to this point. Till I come your way next time in my very next pretty video. Stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. Bye.